come back any second now. Oh my god, it's like cracking up. You like wanna get the camera away from me, right? God. No, there's no point in recording me. You see you jump when you do hiccup.
Here. Match cameras.
You can't talk anymore. You're gonna be hiccuping. Try to hold it in. You know, like, hold your breath for like 20 seconds and then it'll go away. Do it. Did it go away?
I don't know.
It doesn't seem like you have it anymore. I think it went away.
Yes, it did.
We're waiting for it. It's gonna come back.
No. It's not.
Oh, okay. Then say bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Hiccup! Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.